Hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a bike check because I don't know if you can tell, but over the past week or so, the channel has rocketed up in subscribers. But that's mainly because we've changed the channel a bit. It's no longer is it a drumming channel for music and stuff. I still have the drum kit here. I still play drums, but you know, I prefer mountain biking, to be honest. So I've changed it into a mountain biking channel. So yeah, I hope you like the edits and stuff. I've had quite a few questions about what bike I've been using. And so yeah, I thought I'd just fill you in. I've also got a new microphone, which should sound better. Yeah, comment if it sounds better. And if you look over here, up front we are rocking the RockShox Sector. Now they are air forks, so you put air in there if you want them firmer, or you lock them out there if you want to do climbing or something. And for the tyres, we are running some Specialized Purgatory. They're definitely not what you would usually run on a cross-country bike, but I don't use this bike for cross-country. So yeah, we are running some normal basic alloy rims. At front we are running, what are we running up there? I haven't actually looked at the brakes too much, to be honest. It's a decently new bike, but yeah, all I know is the 120mm hydraulic disc rotors. We're running them on the back as well. We have a hydraulic dropper post, which is nice. I have not had one of them before. Yep, we've got the shifter there, and I think that's about it for the front of the bike. Here we have got a RockShox Monarch as the rear shock. Really nice. It's quite floaty. This is my first full suspension bike, so yeah, that's what I do really. And for pedals, we are running some DMR Bike V12s. They're quite nice. They're very like they don't spin uncontrollably and murder your shins. They just murder your shins a bit less painfully. We've got a decent bottle cage on there, and yeah, let's move on to the other side of the bike. And on this side you can see that on these bikes normally they come with a 2x9, I think it is, whereas this bike comes with a 1x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10x. Now that's some serious good climbing gearage there. We are running the same tyre rim combo on the back as well as the same as the front. So yeah, I think that is about it for this beauty. Oh, I forgot the frame. The front triangle is carbon, and the rear triangle is aluminium. So it's a bloomin' light bike as well. Don't know quite the exact specs, but it's somewhere around 15 kilograms. Yeah. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm out a bit, and I'm currently trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month. We're on 44 at the moment, I think, but we can do this. Let's go.